Hello everyone, this is Huan Zhang from NYU Shanghai Big Data and Accounting class. I would like to present my final project, Available Time Finder. Imagine you and your friends are discussing when to go shopping together. However, each of you have your own schedule, and then the discussion will proceed like this. Friend A has a class from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Friend B will meet his professor at 12:30. Friend C wants to watch a movie at 8 p.m. Friend D intends to study from 4 to 6:30 p.m. And friend A suddenly remembers he has a final from 11 to 3 p.m. And the discussion goes on and on and on and on. Now, tell me when is the time available for all of them so they can go shopping together. This task is really hard because all the information is in text and unorganized, which is hard for the brain to process. Therefore, I create a small program, Available Time Finder, based on JavaScript and D3.js library. With this program, all the information is well sorted and stored and neatly visualized to find the time available for everyone. Let's look at some key functions of the code. GetTime, GetName, and GetEvent are three functions to read and return the user input. The getTime function returns the start time, end time, and the total time spent in minutes. The getName and getEvent function returns the event and the name user inputs. Below is the addEvent function, which writes the event into an event object. For each person, all the event is pushed into an array, and the array is stored in the people object under the person's name. Let's look at the people object in the console. In people object, name is the key. For each name key, their value is an array which contains a series of event objects. In our example, on the key name real, there are two event objects, one with event movie and the other with event hiking. In this form, all the events are stored under the name key. At the end name function adds a rectangle to the SVG with correct start point and length, and the non-overlap function finds the time available for everyone and colored the correct time region. Here is how the program looks like. A large rectangle is divided into 24 regions represent 24 hours. Below the timetable, there are input cells. Now, let's try to add the name and event. So I type in my name, Zihuan, and I want to study from 11:15 to 12:30. And then I click the button Add. As you can see, the name Zihuan is shown on the leftmost column, and the purple bar is shown on the time slot from 11:15 to 12:30. If you do a mouse over, you can see the name, event, start time, and the end time. Now, I would like to add another event. I want to watch a movie from 6 to 8:30 p.m. I type in the event and the time and click the button Add. Another purple bar is shown on the time slot. Suppose Rio and I will watch the movie together. So we change the name into Rio. Click Add. The name Rio is shown below Zihuan, and the time bar is shown on the same row of Rio. Rio wants to do homework from 8:03 to 10:09. And here comes Lily, who has a meeting from 3 to 4:45 p.m. Oh, I forgot I should attend this meeting too. Okay, now we click on the Get Time Available button. Magically, all the time available for three of us are shown in yellow. If one right-click the region, it will disappear. The right-click also works for events. Suppose suddenly I do not want to study. I just right-click it. It also disappears. And we can get time available again. As you can see, the time slot I plan to study is now available. That's all for my final project. Thanks for watching.